Hello, I'm Manisha, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Bangalore. Today, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot a slow running select query in your Amazon Aurora MySQL compatible database cluster. Let's get started. There are several reasons why a select query might run slowly on your Aurora MySQL DB cluster. 1. You're overusing your database system resources. 2. The database is experiencing locking issues. 3. The select query is doing a full table scan on large table or doesn't have the necessary indexes. 4. Your InnoDB history list length has increased for long-running transaction. Let's go through each of these and how to troubleshoot them. First, let's check if you're overusing system resources such as CPU or memory, which could be slowing down queries. Select the DB instance. Navigate to the Monitoring tab. You could monitor metrics such as CPU utilization, freeable memory over the CloudWatch tab. To monitor operating system details, use the Enhanced Monitoring tab. To check if your DB load exceeds the maximum vCPU or to check the load-bearing queries and SQLs by weights, use Performance Insights. The above metrics will help you identify if your workload is exceeding the capabilities of your DB instance type. A few important CloudWatch metrics to check are volume read IOPS and buffer cache hit ratio. If the volume read IOPS increases and the buffer cache hit ratio decreases, this indicates high number of disk reads. High number of disk reads could indicate that data isn't being served from the memory cache efficiently. Next, let's check for deadlocks that could be locking up the database. In the navigation pane, under Parameter Group, select your parameter group. Edit the parameter group. Search for the parameter InnoDB print all deadlocks and set it to 1 to enable deadlock logging. You can then view the MySQL error log from RDS console or AWS command line interface to identify any deadlocks. Further, to check if your slow query is using indexes properly, we can use the explain statement. In the output, look for the key column. If it's null, then no index is being used. You might need to add an index on the relevant columns. Finally, let's check the InnoDB history list length, which can increase because of long-running transactions. Run this command. Look for the history list length value. If this value is high, then the purge process can't keep up. This is likely because of long-running transactions that are holding old data. You can also monitor the history list length over time using the CloudWatch metric, rollback segment history list length, or by running the below command. You can run this query to know the details of any long-running transactions that may need to be cancelled or rolled back. Once you have identified the problematic query, to resolve high HLL, take the following actions. If write queries are causing increase in HLL, then roll back the transactions to cancel the statement. This process is lengthy because of the number of updates that needs to be rolled back. If read queries are causing an increase in HLL, then use mysql.rds kill query to cancel the query. In summary, you can often diagnose slow-running select queries on Aurora MySQL by checking resource usage, deadlock, missing indexes, and the transaction history list length. Thank you for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.